Look at this Korean hot pepper paste. I know you know what we're going to do, right? You've seen this before. If not, I know you saw the Squid Game, right? On Netflix. I know you saw them eating tteokbokki, and you're probably saying, what is that? That looks so good. It is so good. Let me tell you, it is more than so good. It is absolutely delicious. Hey, I'm Chef Don McMillan. Traveled around the world, experienced so many wonderful recipes, ate in so many different restaurants and homes, and I'm here to tell you, I want to share all of this knowledge. I've been cooking since I was a child with my mom and just learning so many wonderful recipes, techniques. I've worked with some of the best chefs in the world, and all of this comes down to doing our videos here because we're going to drop so much knowledge. You're going to want to see this video over and over again, and you're definitely going to hit the like button and share. So when you subscribe, say share with your friends and families because they're going to want to see this as well. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and get started with cooking. We're going to always start when you make tteokbokki. This is the only thing you can use to start with, and that's that Korean pepper paste. Now, when it says hot pepper paste, it is not hot, but this recipe is spicy. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper to this to really knock it up, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. A good tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half of the pepper paste. Let's put that right here into our bowl. And then I have my dashi. So I use this dried powder, okay? It's like anchovy base seafood stock, and it reconstitutes with just a cup of hot water. And just place that right in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of that. I don't want to miss any of it, so let me go ahead and just use my spatula and get all that paste in there. Now you want to give it a good stir. And then we're going to add some more great flavors to it, okay? So check out the flavors that I'm adding. About a half a teaspoon of black pepper. About a teaspoon of chili powder. That's not the hot chili powder. Korean chili powder or even the American chili powder works just as well in this recipe. Cayenne pepper. Now this is what's really going to make it spicy. Cayenne pepper. Place that in there. Sugar. You got to have the sugar. It's going to counter the bean paste and the spices that we put in there. So the sugar is good. It's also going to thicken our sauce, make it a nice, wonderful mouthfeel on the flavor end of it. Okay? And let's go ahead and stir that in. We'll turn the heat on. And as we're incorporating all the flavors, all the spices, yes, I'm going to add in there some garlic flakes. Now you can use dried garlic, garlic powder. You can also use fresh garlic. That would work just as well. So this is what I'm using right here, crispy garlic flakes. I like them because it adds kind of a volume to our dish. It makes it, you can see the garlic in there and you can taste it. And that's what we're looking for, taste, right? Let's go ahead and cook that. And in just a minute, I'm going to add the key ingredient, and that is our rice cakes, okay? Now, if you get the dry rice cakes, what you want to do is soak them in some cold water, not hot water, cold water, okay? Soak them for maybe 10 minutes or so, and then drain them pretty good. I just, they're still pretty hard in here, but once we put them into our sauce, they're going to cook up, they're going to thicken the sauce, and they're going to be just so tasty. Trust me, really so very tasty. It just makes this dish. And in there it goes. Stir them up. And as it's cooking, we stir it just a little bit. It's going to take about 6 minutes before it's done. Okay, time to hook this baby up. Look. You probably saw our video already on how we made these wonderful eggs. We marinated them overnight. If you haven't, check that one out as well. It's our ramen egg noodle. But let's go ahead and place our soft-boiled egg in there. And then I have some green onion, and I'm going to cut it up at an angle. This is the key. I'm going to put one in there. Listen, People tell me that they like 2 or 3, and trust me, the green onion really makes this dish pop, okay? Don't leave it out. Just place it right in there. Give it a little bit of a stir. Turn the fire off. And let's go ahead and plate up this wonderful creation. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Look at that. Oh man, this is it. Trust me, if you've tasted this before, you're gonna know it. You're gonna probably want to eat this every night. It is a treat. You know, it's street food, if you want to say that. If you go out to Korea, it's very, very popular there, and it is going to be very popular in your home as well. All right, I still got a little more liquid in there. Let's get all of that goodness out. One more time. And here is our dish. So please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, because we've got too many videos to show you. Lots and lots and lots of videos. And also, check us out on Patreon, because we'd love to have you as one of our sponsors. We're going to give you exclusive content. We're going to show you our cooking videos before anybody else sees them. We're going to give you some behind the scenes action, and as always, with no ads. And as always, you know, our dishes are absolutely simple and delicious. I'm going to try this now. You know, it's super hot, so do it with caution. Okay? Oh, man. Oh, that kick. I just got it in the back of my throat. Ah! I can't talk anymore, but try this out. You're going to love it.